I'm gonna do one more. Just
And cut.
yeah. Speed Tim.
Okay, Mac, and action. And Sarah. Good job, Mac. Yeah, a little more of that too. You can look up a little bit, point at things.
That's great.
I'm gonna do a tilt down.
And hang on.
So you start from way up.
Yep.
Okay, Sarah and Mac, here we go. And start your pan. Action.
Yeah, he's fine now, but just he's got to watch that. That's nice.
Stand by.
Right,
here
Tim,
we go. Guys, making some movies now.
Here we go,
and
Tim.
Action, Sarah. And Mac.
Once she lands, so you know the frame then, so they kind of settle at the same time. Right.
Stand by. Here we go, Mac.
Here we go.
And action. And Sarah.
Nice, Tim. Beautiful.
Can you tilt down? I know you're
Yeah.
You guys are doing great. I mean, from top to down. Right down to that.
That doesn't look good with his head.
Yeah. But maybe right there. Point at the screen.
There we go.
And cut.
Awesome. Stand by. Speed.
You got action in the background.
Yeah.
Tilt down just a little. Sarah, you point at it a little bit.
I just lose her eyes though, Tim. She can look at him a little bit more just to see.
Look at each other and talk a little bit.
Yeah, nice. That was cool. Sure. Speed. Yep.
And action. And Chris.
Hey Chris, what are you guys working on here? You know, this is great stuff. You think you guys have any problems? Everything going well? Oh, I see what you're trying.
Okay.
You like your